Narayan, working as the president of the Suryalakshmi organization and looking after all the operations. This plant is in the Telangana district, Telangana, Rangareddy district, and the actual location of the is Amangal village. We have installed initially 3 megawatt ground. Later on we extended 1.5 rooftop and another 1 megawatt rooftop. And we find in all the three operations, we find the candy support and the advice and cooperation from them is excellent. So that's why right from the beginning, after the installation of the 3 megawatt, we have immediately gone for the 1.5 and continue to 1 more megawatt with candy only. Last year already with that installation of the 3 megawatt plus 1.5, 4.5 megawatt in 2023, we have achieved almost 4,000 tons of carbon emission, and after this installation of the 1 more megawatt, in this year we are expecting this will reach almost 5,000 tons of carbon emission. Candy has a very good team of people who respond for our doubts or whatever is there, very fast response and action also taken like that, and whatever we propose they are very considerably they are looking to it, and they have installed whatever the best panels and also the ZED zero export device and RPR, everything which are very much required. They have totally satisfied us. Yeah, the response is very good. That's why we have gone after the 3 megawatt, we have immediately gone for the 1.5 and one also with the candy only.